Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, open up Settings, the gear icon right there, and from Settings scroll all the way down into About Phone, and then Software Information. Then you should see build number right here. So tap on that 7 times. Once you start tapping a couple times, it will give you that pop-up right here. And after 7 tap, either if you have a pattern, it will confront you with it, so you need to confirm it. And then you will see developer mode has been turned on. Or if you don't have any kind of protection, it will just turn on automatically, and you should see automatically this message without any kind of interruption. So now that it's enabled, you can go back and find it in the main settings page at the bottom now as the last option. So tap on it. There we go. And from here you have access to all the developer options. Now, if you don't know what you're really doing here, I wouldn't really mess around, because some of those things can basically kind of break how the phone works. So for instance, OEM unlocking, if you enable that, sometimes it performs a reset of your device, so you would lose everything, like all your personal data from it. You might just turn off, for instance, like Wi-Fi or some other stuff, modules of the device. But there are also helpful ones, for instance, more, I guess, user-friendly, like the animation speeds, the 3 options right here, which will just allow you to change how fast the animations are being displayed. So when you tap on them, you have an option and scale. You can set it to half speed, completely remove them, then there won't be any animation, or anything above 1, so 1.5 to 10. It's just going to be a longer animation speed, so it will take that much longer. I'm just going to keep it as it is. But yeah, that is how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.